Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I make a crunchy chicken tender in the air fryer. So let's go ahead and get started. How to get by. Hey. Alrighty, so here are some of the ingredients I'm using today. It's nutritional yeast. Normally I'll have almond flour, but today I'm doing cassava flour. Now if you have normal flour, that's gonna work. Black pepper, onion, garlic powder, salt, almond milk, olive oil, chicken tenders, and my Redhot Buffalo Ranch, which I know some of you guys have asked where I got that one from. I got this guy from Target, but if you can't find it at Target, be sure to check out my link in the description box below. Quick couple of things. So everything here is Whole30 minus the Redhot. If you are doing Whole30, what you could do is at the very end, once the chicken tenders are done cooking, you could dip that in a homemade buffalo sauce and have it more of like a wet chicken tender. But I'll go ahead and show you how I make these delicious crispy chicken tenders. Oops, forgot one. This is the star ingredient, so you can use your chip of choice, but I'm using pork rinds. If you are doing Whole30, this will work, and also if you're doing paleo. Okay, y'all, first things first. What I did is I bought some chicken tenderloin strips and I'm soaking it in milk. It just makes it easier to dip it into this mixture. So what I did here was the cassava flour, nutritional yeast, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and the Redhot seasoning. Mixed it all up. And then here, I just crushed this up in a baggie and I also just seasoned it with the Redhot. Now you can season it however you like. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I get this going. Take your chicken strip and egg mixture. You'll dip it in your flour mixture. And then what you'll do is you'll dip it back in milk. And then dip it in your pork rinds. You'll have something like that. Now I'll go ahead and get the rest done. I'm sure you could use eggs for at least, or that portion. I might not suggest that to you just because with eggs, I've noticed anytime you like batter something, it gets super thick and cakey. So this is my preferred way of doing it. Here are a few. That's what it'll look like. Now at this point, you'll want to drizzle your olive oil. Oops. Just use spray olive oil. Place it in the best thing ever, which, by the way, y'all, is linked below in the description box. 350, 10 minutes. They're done. Wow. Who is Raising Cane's? Yeah? Okay friends, and there you have it. Some super crispy, healthy chicken tenders in the air fryer with Whole30 and paleo modifications. Now, what would really be delicious with this is my fried pickles. Check out my last video, along with that healthy ranch dip that I made also. Y'all be sure to check those out. Other than that, let me know if you guys end up trying this recipe below. Everything I mentioned is linked below in my description box. Check out my affiliate links to help your girl out, because no sponsorships yet. Alright, see y'all next time. So for tonight's dinner, I used the chicken tenders as my protein for my little green salad bowl here. On the bottom, I have a bed of arugula that I tossed in some olive oil and squeezed some lime in it. And then here, I have, of course, my Brussels sprouts and bacon, and I added some mushrooms to it. So that video is also linked, so make sure to check that out. Yum!